What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today what I'm going to show you is how to goblet squat and how to teach your clients. Alright, so we're outside and I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to teach somebody how to goblet squat. So I have this red step behind me. This is about a 12-inch step. You can use 16 inches, 18 inches, whatever is going to get your client or you to that step or to that next level when you're squatting. I like to get on the edge just like so. So what I want you to do is you're going to place your heels about shoulder width apart. With the box, I want you to try to sit down all the way on it. So here's what it's going to look like. So when you're coming down, sit all the way down on it and then stand all the way up. So when you're doing a goblet squat, I'm going to show you. Here's a regular body weight squat, and then I'll show you the goblet squat. But check this out. So I'm just going to come all the way down and then all the way up. But I'll have the tendency of leaning forward, so I want something to counterbalance my weight. So if you're teaching yourself or you're teaching a client, this weight, you're able to push it away from you as you sit down. It's going to help counterbalance you. So check it out. I'm just going to use a plate. You can use anything. You can use a kettlebell, medicine ball, anything you got. So check it out. So as you come down, touch, and then right back up. So again, push it out a little bit, and then right back up. And then I don't feel any tension whatsoever through my knees. And I haven't told you to actually sit back, push your hip out, bend the knee, and then come down. All I want you to do is try to hit the box with your butt or the step, whatever you're using. So push the butt, touch the butt to the step as you're pushing the weight away. So like so, pretty simple, pretty easy. Don't overdo it, right? Yeah, right, have some fun with it. As you're sitting down and then coming right back up. Sitting and then up. So that's the easiest way to get someone to do a goblet squat, or you, because with a traditional loaded back squat, those can kind of get tough. This is the first place to start, then you move your way up to the next. That's the goblet squat. It's that simple. You can make it whatever you want it to be, but that's exactly how I teach my clients when they first come and train with me. My goal is to get people to sit down and stand up without hearing the word squat. Squat gets a bad rap. Just sit down, stand up. But that's the simplest and fastest way to get someone to squat as deep as they possibly can. You always want to make sure though that it's pain-free. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit the little bell. That way you're notified next time when a new video comes out. But thank you guys for watching.